Hi everybody, in this lesson we will explain some basic feature of the keyframe assistant. If you go to an audio file and right click or any other layer, you will find keyframe assistant. Keyframe assistant can help us in many ways. Let's begin. The first thing, it can convert any audio to keyframes. As you see here, the audio became keyframes. This helps us in a lot of animation, and you can utilize it to make wonderful animation, but it's not the topic of our course today. If we go to this composition and see the animation of the pole, as you can see, the speed of the pole is the same from the beginning to the end because the keyframes are linear. What's the meaning of linear? Linear means that the space between keyframe is the same. Now, keyframe assistant helps us to change this speed. If we select the keyframes, or for example, select the first keyframe, right click, keyframe assistant, and we say ease out. Let's see what happens. As you see, the beginning of the movement is very slow. And if we select the last keyframe and go to keyframe assistant and ease in, so start is slow, then end is slow. What does this mean? To simplify this, it's like the car movement. When you start moving a car, it starts slow, then go fast. When she wants to stop, she doesn't stop abruptly, but she deaccelerate more, then she stops. Gradual speed and gradual slow down. This is the feature that keyframe assistant can help us to make. Ease out, deaccelerate the start. Ease in, deaccelerate the end before the keyframe. Ease make both animation. Slow out, slow down, slow in. Let's try ease. The key shortcut for it, F9. Let's now try the animation. As you can see, the speed, it changes gradually, and it's like it stops little at each keyframe. In fact, this helps us to make the movement natural movement. How can? The speed while the pole goes up must be slower than the speed of the pole when she moves straight. So let's choose this keyframe, and we can make more changes to this speed by open the graph editor. Let's see now. This is the graph editor. We choose edit speed graph. Now we can, as you see, the line when it's down, the speed is linear. When it's up, the speed increases. Let's see the shape of this graph when it was linear. This is the linear movement of the keyframe before making it ease.